Alright, good morning mga Katimbol Vlogs. Welcome sa isa na naman nating video bus checks. Today, time check muna. Today is April 29, 2024, Monday, here at Wellington, New Zealand. 6 o'clock, 6:15 in the morning. So come on, let's check it out now. Check na natin yung bus na gagamitin natin mga Katimbol Vlogs. So IC bus number 2470, registration plate number CRT 231, expire on June 7, 2024. This bus came from Auckland originally to be used for train replacement, but plans have changed. So let's check this out. So bus number 2470, alam nyo na yung dapat nating check lang dito is yung gulong at tapos yung adjusters. All good. And yung mga old damage, natural na lang yan. This one has all good. 2470, so all good. All good. Yeah. This was used for train replacement, I believe, because it says there rail. So all good. Check out all damages. This one, all damage. It's flat. Okay. Tires are still good. 1 meter. We're good. Check the inside. Check the seats if it's still comfortable. So this is all good. Okay. Whew! Ang lamig mga Katimbol Vlogs. So that's all for our video bus vlog. Paalam.